Mastering the art of instructor assessment and feedback. Hello, learners. Welcome to another session on advanced vocabulary for academic and professional contexts. Today, we're diving into a crucial part of education and professional development: instructor assessment and feedback. This is an indispensable part of learning English as it greatly helps to understand where we stand and how we can improve. So, let's start our journey. Instructor assessment refers to the evaluation process by which an instructor or teacher measures the progress and understanding of a student. It often involves tests, assignments, or oral presentations, and is an essential part of the learning process. Here are some phrases that you may find useful when discussing instructor assessment. I appreciate your comprehensive evaluation. Could you please provide more clarity on this assessment? I'd like to discuss the evaluation criteria with you. Feedback is equally, if not more, important than assessment. It's the key way for learners to understand their strengths and areas for improvement. Positive or constructive, feedback offers a clear path for growth and learning. When discussing feedback, these are some useful phrases. Your feedback has greatly contributed to my progress. Could you provide more detailed feedback on my presentation skills? I find your constructive feedback very beneficial. Now that we've discussed the basics of assessment and feedback, let's talk about how to express your opinions and make recommendations in this context. Expressing opinions isn't just about agreeing or disagreeing, but also about how we substantiate our views. Here are some phrases for expressing opinions. In my opinion, the assessment was quite challenging, but fair. I believe more practice exercises would aid my understanding. And here are some phrases for making recommendations. I recommend having more interactive sessions to enhance our learning. It would be beneficial to receive more real-time feedback during class. And there we have it. We've learned how to navigate the world of instructor assessment and feedback in academic and professional contexts. Remember, being able to articulate your thoughts and ideas about your assessments and the feedback you receive is a valuable skill. We hope you find these phrases and tips helpful in your English language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.